Here is the gray collection. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review of the Colorcl Crystal Shades Weekly Edition Siesta Gray Collection. Here you are. I hope you enjoy. So let me know in the comment section down below which ones were your favorite. I showed them with artificial lighting as well as room lighting. It was snowing here in New York City, so I tried to get natural lighting as much as possible. So that's why I included pictures of natural lighting, because there's not too much sun out today since it's becoming a blizzard outside. So there was a little bit of natural light, so that's why I included pictures. I couldn't get video clips though, because it's like the clouds and the sun were kind of like playing peekaboo. So I couldn't really get video clips, but I did include pictures for you all, because if you haven't checked out my previous video where I reviewed the Crystal Shades Weekly Edition Siesta Blue, I will link it above in the cards as well as in the description box down below. A few of you requested in the comment section for me to continue to do room lighting and natural light if possible. So that's why I included the room lighting and the natural light pictures in this one. I have been working with Colorcl for a while. Check out their website. I will link it in the description box down below, as well as put all information about the lenses there. So if you have any questions, make sure you check that out. All of the links and information is there. I have been working with them for a while, and I enjoy so many of their color contact lenses and so many of their collections. I will link some previous videos for you to check out in the description box below, as well as in the cards up above. So if you're interested in any more of their lenses or which ones I've reviewed already, then definitely check those videos out. Here is the coupon code that I have with Colorcl. Thank you all so much in advance for using my coupon code. It definitely helps support our channel here, and I am so grateful and so thankful to you all. So make sure you check them out if you are interested in any of the lenses that you see here or in my previous videos, and just check out their website, browse around. They have a lot of new cute cases to keep your color contacts in, which I think is so nice as well, just so you have somewhere to store them. Lord knows I have a lot of contacts, so those cases do come in very, very handy when I do get them. And check them out. So let's jump right into which ones I like and which ones I did not like. Surprise, surprise, I liked all of the lenses, but the ones that I liked the most were the light gray lenses. The reason that I like the light gray lenses the most is because the halo gray and the iris gray are very, very similar, and they're a little bit more on the darker side. If you can see with artificial lighting, I think you can see a bit of a difference between the two. But with the room lighting clips and the natural light picture clips, you can't really see that much of a difference between the two of them. So they were a little bit more on the darker side, but the light gray, I loved it because it was a little bit more on the lighter side. And all of the colors were a nice shade of gray. The iris gray and the halo gray were more darker, but the light gray was a bit more lighter, and obviously it blends very, very well with my own natural light brown eyes. So I absolutely love that too. With the light gray lenses, they're like a nice light and dark shade of gray mix. And if you know me, you know gray lenses are not my favorite, simply because it's very, very hard to get gray right. I feel like with color contact lenses, either it's too light, too dark, or they just don't blend well and don't look too natural. But I liked all three of these in this collection because all of the gray lenses look gray. They show up in my eyes gray, and they're definitely gray when I take them out of their packaging. Keep in mind that these are weekly lenses, so once you open them, they are only good for 1 week. But if you have a bunch of different collections like I do, then you can always just prolong them a bit by switching them out. That's what I always do with my lenses. I don't really wear the same color contact lenses all the time, as you all know. The ones that I'm wearing now are the light gray ones, and I absolutely love them. I like how they blend very, very well with my own light brown eyes, and the pupil hole is feathered and it's nice and it blends well to make the lenses look more natural and subtle. With the iris gray and the halo gray, those are a bit more on the darker side, as I mentioned. And the pupil hole is nice on those as well. But with the iris gray, they look so unbelievable and natural. The iris collection overall, if you check out those contacts, they're very, 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 very natural and very, very subtle. With the halo gray, surprise, surprise, I like them. Like, I usually don't like the halo day, the halo night. I wasn't a big fan of the halo collection. It's not my favorite. I didn't like the halo sky, which was the colored contact lens review prior to this one. They weren't my favorite. The pattern on them wasn't my favorite, but this one, it actually looks like a pretty nice pattern. And the pupil hole feathers out very, very well. So when I was looking at them, especially with artificial lighting, I was like, oh, these actually look pretty nice. Like, I was already going into it like, oh, I'm probably not gonna like them, but I actually like them. So that was a bit of a surprise to me. But out of all the three, I like the light gray the most, obviously, because they're a little bit more lighter, they're a little bit more brighter, and all three are a nice shade of gray. Just the light gray is lighter, and the iris and the halo gray are just more darker. So that is it for this review. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below, which ones did you like out of these three colored contact lenses? Did you like the light gray? Did you like the iris gray? Or did you like the halo gray the most, and why? If you have any of these lenses already in your collection, definitely let me know which ones. Are you a fan of gray lenses? Do you kind of skip past gray lenses? I do. So definitely let me know all of that in the comment section down below. I love chatting with you all and getting to know what kind of lenses you like. Also, let me know what other recommendations you have. I got a few suggestions from Colorcl as well as a few other contact lens companies that I should try out, you guys suggested. So definitely leave me any other suggestions in the comment section below. So I have more reviews coming for you all. Thank you all so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Don't forget, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me and my brand, as well as live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload Wednesdays and Sundays. I might start giving an additional video throughout the week as well as time goes on. But thank you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. And I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.